Hello everyone, today I will talk about using Unionfind method to detect a cycle in a graph. You are given a number of n nodes and array edges. You have to return true if there's a cycle in the graph. In this example graph, there are two connected components in the graph. Look like this, the left component and the right component. You can see the left component form a cycle, so the output should return true. In Unionfind algorithm, there are two functions, find and a union function. The find function is for finding the set that an element belongs to, and the union function is to combine two sets into one. Let's walk through this example. First, we consider each node as an individual set, so we can initialize their parent nodes with a specific value. Here we choose -1 as that value. Then we look at the graph. We see there's a connection between node 0 and node 1, and they are both individual sets. So we will combine these two individual sets into one set and update the root node of node 1 with node 0. Then we see there's a connection between node 1 and node 2. We found node 1 is in the set where the root node is node 0, and node 2 is an individual set. So we will combine these two sets into one set. There are two ways to make the connection. One way is to connect node 2 to the set containing node 0 and node 1. Like this. The other way is to connect the 0 and 1 set to node 2. However, for this connection, you can see it makes the tree deeper, so we don't use this connection. Therefore, the first connection is used. We will update the root node of node 2 with node 0. Then we see there's a connection between node 0 and node 2. We found node 0 and node 2 in the same set, which means there is a cycle in this connection. We don't need to do any merge between these two nodes. Last, we see there's another connection between node 3 and node 4. They are both individual sets, so we can combine them into one set. We update the root node of node 4 with node 3. Well, we are done with all elements in this graph. It's time to see the Python code. We create a Unionfind class. The class takes a number of nodes n as the input variable. The parent nodes of those n nodes are initialized with -1. Their ranks are set to 0, since they are initially an individual set. The class has two methods, find and union. In find method, we determine the set where the element belongs to. In union method, first we found out where those two elements belong to. If they are in the same set, return 0, means cycle is found. Otherwise, we compare the rank of those two elements. The lower rank set will merge into the higher rank set. If the two set has the same rank, after combining those two sets, the rank of the merged set increases by 1. The main function is called detect cycle in graph. It uses the Unionfind clauses to check out every element on the edges. If we found there are two elements in the same set, return true, cycle is found. Otherwise, return false, no cycle is found. Okay, that's all for today. See you next episode.